outstanding at centre half back. When you need leadership, look to Thérèse Maher.
Who was Thérèse Maher? I suppose she's best known as probably the Queen of Camogie in Galway.
Going forward is Thérèse Maher. Elegant, stylish hurler.
You knew it from early on that Thérèse was destined for big things.
Hopefully if I get my chance in Croke Park, I'll make myself worthy.
Once again, it's Thérèse Maher.
She was this long, skinny girl in with a big black micro helmet that was always, I think, a size too big for her.
Bhí si dáréire I gcónaí agus bhí si ocrarsach.
Thérèse Maher, so powerful.
Bhí éonar déag in St Clown.
We were all tough, everyone had to fight their corner.
Family would be very important to Thérèse. She really appreciates the value of family.
When both Mum and Dad died, we lost them, we could never get them back. Sport gave me an outlet, it gave me something, you know, to channel that anger that I was feeling.
Heartbreak for Galway. Devastated for the second year in a row.
There was a lot of hard luck stories in finals, you know, an awful lot of hard luck stories.
I think I became very disillusioned with the whole thing and wondering, you know, where my career was going.
It's a dressing room that nobody'd like to be in at the minute now.
Tá agus amach as teaghlach a sportúil sin, ní léidir gur dáin agus IDS. Cuinníonn tú bhairt go dtí go éirigh leat.
There's one thing for certain you shouldn't do, and that's right off of Maher.
It's not their day today, but their day will come, and it's not too far away, hopefully.
If at first you don't succeed, you try and try again.